Hey, how are you?
What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and in today's video we're going to be doing the 5th installment to my collection series. Now, I want to give a quick shout out to all you guys because I recently hit 3,000 subscribers. So for this 5th collection video, what we're going to be doing is a 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, for you to win the giveaway, there's going to be a couple things that you're going to have to do. You're going to have to like the video and be subscribed to the channel first and foremost. Secondly, you're going to have to guess exactly how much I collected in this collection video. And lastly, you're going to have to be following me on Instagram. So if you can like and subscribe, comment exactly how much I collect in this video, and be following me on Instagram, you will win a portion of today's collection. It's actually been about a week and a half since I've collected, so the numbers are going to be a bit skewed. I don't know if you guys want to go back and watch some of the other collection videos to kind of get an idea, but I will leave a link in the description and in the comment section. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into it. That's my girlfriend behind the camera. She's camera shy. She don't want to be on the video.
Getting all the worst angles today.
So we're about to take a look at the pastry department. What kind of pastries they got. Alright, so I guess they ran out of Coke products. No Coke, no Dr. Pepper. So she's going to look and see if they have any Coke or Dr. Pepper in the bag. So, alright, you guys, I don't work here, but I will be getting a raise after this because of how quickly I can check out these groceries. Check this out. That was it, time. I'm so fast.
You're walking into quicksand. Not a lesson learned, 'cause you're gonna get burned. There you go, without thinking about tomorrow. Gonna let you know you're spending all the time you borrowed to get through things. Not giving you a second chance. So turn around and fill it the place. We're a star, but you've forgotten how to follow. Gonna leave a scar if you don't take the time to heal everything underneath this. You're watching the hours are ticking away. So turn around and fill in the place. I gotta say that you could do so much better.
Hey, how are you? Come on, I know it's. I wouldn't need it if I were you. Whatever's old in there, I'll always take out. Yes, ma'am. It's not all old, I promise. Was the date good on it? Well, if the date's good on it, there's nothing I can do. It's the company's problem. Yes, ma'am. I'll make sure all the dates are good in there, though.
Shouldn't have known if I was the one who's drowning in your flood. It's overwhelming me, but I guess it's clear to me now. After staring holes in all my walls, don't you cut me off like you did that time. Once was already enough, I'd say, but I wonder if you hear me. Can you hear me? Can you touch the fire with your hands? 'Cause you're gonna get burned. You're gonna get burned. You're walking into quicksand. Not a lesson learned, 'cause you're gonna get burned. There you go, without thinking about tomorrow. Gonna let you know you're spending all the time you borrowed to get through things. Not giving you a second chance. So turn around and fill it the place. We're a star, but you've forgotten how to follow. Gonna leave a scar if you don't take the time to heal everything underneath this. You're watching the hours are ticking away. So turn around and fill in the place. I gotta say that you could do so much better.
Alright, you guys, so a little bit of bad news. I'm leaving my second location, and basically the snack machine is completely out. So basically I'm making a selection on it. I can press A, but I'll try to go press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it won't let me select anything else. So probably means that there's a bad board on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to call the guy who helps me fix, you know, things like this and get him out here. I can get out soon enough so I don't lose the locations, but I'll keep y'all posted.
Shouldn't have known if I was the one who's drowning in your flood. It's overwhelming me, but I guess it's clear to me now. After staring holes in all my walls, don't you cut me off like you did that time. Once was already enough, I'd say, but I wonder if you hear me. Gonna get burned, you're gonna get burned. You're walking into quicksand. Not a lesson learned, 'cause you're gonna get burned. There you go, without thinking about tomorrow. Gonna let you know you're spending all the time you borrowed to get through this. Not giving you second chance. So turn around and feel it the place. Star, but you've forgotten how to follow. Gonna leave a scar if you don't take the time to heal everything underneath this. You're watching the hours are ticking away, so turn around and fill in the place. I gotta say that you could do so much better. Like a vagabond, you're lost in your own ways, stranded in your desert. I hit you up, but there's no one there. If I wanted something distant, I would have found just what I want in you. But I'm not really like that, don't you know that? Said, don't you know? Touch the fire with your hands, 'cause you're gonna get burned, you're gonna get burned. You're walking into quicksand. Not a lesson learned, 'cause you're gonna get burned.
Alrighty, everybody, that is the last location of the night. This is kind of the side that you don't really get to see. It's 12:49 right now. Just got done filling machines. Luckily, all my facilities let me come in late. Okay, I'll go ahead and wrap this up here. I know it's kind of hard to see me since it's so dark outside. But if you guys want to enter the giveaway, make sure you leave your guesstimates for the collection down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, whoever guesses it first will win a portion of the collection. And yeah, so anyway, this is the collection video number 5. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. Hit the like button and subscribe button, and check out the other videos. I'll catch y'all next time. Until then, hustle hard and get that money. Peace.